Open your Align Motion app, give it a name, use 9:16 ratio and use transparent, and then click on the plus button, add a shape and click on the three dots at the top, stretch it to composition areas, and then you can leave it. Click on the plus button, click on the media, add your phone mockup, tap on the phone mockup, then split it, then tap on the splitted area, go to your move and transform and give it a keyframe at 0 seconds, then give it a keyframe at 14 seconds, then go to the first keyframe, drag it to the down, drag it to the down, and in the middle you drag it to the end, and you click on the graphs and then add a graph, add the third graph. Now click on the plus button again, click on empty group and tap on the second mockup, the same mockup, the splitted area, just tap on it, click on effect, add effect and search for raster extrude. That is it, raster extrude. Just tap on it, click on standard setting. Now tap on the effect, go to rotation, add a keyframe, go to 4 minutes and add a keyframe too. From the rotation, click on Y, drag the rotation to drag it to the right. For the side of the phone mockup, click on the depth and drag it to 1.4 seconds or 1.8 seconds. Just give it 1.4 seconds. Then go to rotation and continue rotating it. You need to rotate it up to 2 times or 3 times based on how you want it. Can you see that? Go to graph and give it the third graph. Just leave it like that. Tap on it and copy the effect at the down and add it to the phone mockup, the splitted area, so both of them can be rhymed together. Now tap on the phone mockup, look for the angle where it's about to turn to the next face. Now tap on it and split the area where it's about to turn to the next angle. Then you look for it, allow it to rotate. You just rotate it to check where to split again, because if you don't split it and you won't be able to get the point where the back of the phone need to show. So you need to check the angle again where it's about to turn to the front, and you split it and you click on the middle one, the one you splitted. Then you go to color and fill, then click on that icon, then go to your gallery and choose the back of the phone. As you can see, it's been selected. Then click on the plus button at the top, just leave it. Now let's go and check what we just did. Can you see that? Let's take that again. Can you see that? That is how to create a phone rotation mockup on Align Motion. If you need the asset, type asset in the comment section and I will send it to you.